Guys, today I'm here to give a very thankful note to a person whose 10 little fingers, 10 perfect toes fills our heart with love that overflows. I guess you all must have guessed the person I'm talking about, the most important person in everybody's life. And she is none other but our mothers. See, there are no words which will complete a thankful note for her because she has tremendously done so much to us that saying thanks is a very small deed. But still, I am going to a small effort to say thanks to Ma from the deepest core of my heart for all that you have done to me, for me, by the beginning of my life till the date today. You have been my world to me, Mama. You are the valley of love, the ocean of sacrifices. And I can see my idol in you. So, Mom, you are my idol, and today a Thanksgiving short note for you. Well, guys, this short note comes in the form of a small song which I always craved to sing for my mother. Kindly bear my singing skills a bit. I don't know how it will sound for the first time, but kindly cooperate and kindly listen for a while. Here it begins like this. तू कितनी अच्छी है, तू कितनी भोली है, प्यारी प्यारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। ये जो दुनिया है, ये वन है कांटों का, तू फुलवारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। दुखने लगी है माँ तेरी आँखियाँ, दुखने लगी है माँ तेरी आँखियाँ, मेरे लिए तू जागी है, मेरे लिए तू जागी है, सारी सारी रतिया मेरी निंदिया पे, तेरी निंदिया भी तूने वारी है, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। अपना नहीं तुझे सुख दुख कोई, मैं मुस्काया तू मुस्काई, मैं मुस्काया तू मुस्काई, मैं रोया तू रोई, मेरे हंसने पे, मेरे रोने पे तू बलिहारी, हो माँ, ओ माँ, हो माँ, हो माँ। माँ बच्चों की जान होती है, वो होते हैं किस्मत वाले, वो होते हैं किस्मत वाले, जिनके माँ होती है कितनी सुंदर है, कितनी शीतल है, प्यारी प्यारी। ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ, ओ माँ। Love you, Ma. Love you so much. Today, in this section, I'm a bit emotional. All the emotions are reflected at the same time. She has loved me with all her heart. She has always made me realize that I am the best. And today, whatever I am, it's just because of her. You are the best mom in the world. Love you so much, Ma. Thank you guys for listening and bearing my singing skills. Thank you so much. Love you.